Hello. Today I will show you how to download mods for City Skylines on a Mac without the use of Steam Workshop. So sometimes people cannot download certain mods off of Steam Workshop by subscribing to them due to certain reasons. And I will show you 3 websites that have the most essential mods you will need for your game if you want to play it in a certain way. 2 of them have other stuff as well to download: game saves, assets, traffic, and roads. But this one is just for mods. Now, this website, Cities Resource, has all of these as well, or at least most of them. So you can use just this one as well. You don't have to download this pack. But this pack just has them bunched up all together in one folder, so it's easier to access instead of going on the internet and finding each one, which takes loading, and it's a hassle. So you will need an RAR expander, which is here. Just a second. There you go. It will look like this. I will link all of these in the description, all of these websites. Don't worry about it. You will click this link and it will prompt you to this other website, and you will wait for the countdown to go to 0 seconds. Then you will save the file, and that saved file will most likely be saved right here in the downloads page, downloads folder in Finder. So Finder is here. Finder is easy to find. Ha ha ha. You will unzip it with archive utility, which I think is included in the Mac. Now I already have one, so I'll just move this in trash. And I will quit this one. So let's download this link, which has over 75 mods. It has most of the essential mods like FPS camera, FPS display, all 25 unlocked tiles and stuff like that. And you see you will have this folder, which you have to open file. Now my computer's being really slow at the moment, so I'll just cancel this right now. Don't cancel yours, please. The folder should look like this. These are just copies of each other. Don't worry about the number. There's not more of these. That's how it will look like. It will be in a folder, and the file will be a DLL. All of these mods have a DLL extension. That means that it can be used for Macs and PCs. That's for mods. Assets, game saves, traffic, intersections, whatever other stuff, they are gonna be in a CRP file, which can also be used for Macs as well, and I will show you how to do that. But first, you will copy any of these mods from here. Let's say Hard Times. I don't know what Hard Times is, but I'm gonna... there are no descriptions here. That's okay. I will copy the file and I will paste it right, not here. You will find your city's Skylines program icon. If it's in the dock, you will try to show it in the Finder, because you will only be able to do this action anywhere else but the dock. Because when you right click, which is double finger tap, you will click the Show Package Contents, and you will click Contents, Resources, Files, and Mods. Now this is a very outdated Cities Skylines, probably when it was just released. So the way to get to this mods page will be different for each person. Now if you have a Steam version, most likely you will have to go to your library folder, I have it here, but to find it in a finder, you go to Go. So you go and you click Option key on your Mac, your laptop. You click the Option key and you will find this library folder. And then in the library folder, you will go to, I think, ColossalOrder file, and you will try to find the mods page or something like that, and then drag the folder there. I think that's how it works. It might be different, but comment in the comments section if you found a way. So you will click the mods page and then you will copy the folder, which will have a DLL extension. I think I had hard times. There it is, hard times DLL. So if you go to your game, it should probably have it. I will not go to it yet because it might crash the recording, so I will do a few more things. To download it off of this website, it's really simple. You just click any of these and it will be a very simple step. It will just say download. You will click download. If you click something like traffic report, it will say download, and then it will make you go to another screen which will say download, and then you'll have to wait a bit until you can download it, and blah 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 blah. So it's really simple stuff. You will just have to unzip or unwrap your folder in the downloads page and then just copy the folder which has a DLL or a CRP extension, depending if it's a mod or an asset. So let's download an asset, because we know how to download a mod. It's really simple. Downloading an asset is a bit weird if you have a pirated version, at least. If you have a Steam game, it might work a bit differently, but for a pirated version, it's a bit weird, because if we go to the applications, go to City Skylines, show package contents, and go all the way to files here, you will not have an assets folder. And you will wonder, where do I download it to? I download it in mods or maps or map editor, locale audio? Where do I go? You will download your assets in maps. For I don't know what reason, but you will do that. You see, I have intersections here, and if I go to my game, all of these intersections will be in the content manager, but they will not be in saved maps or saved game saves. They will be in assets. So don't worry about where it will store your assets. It will store it in the right place. You see, these are CRP extensions. Let's download a prop. It will just work the same way, but let's download it from Simtropolis. Yeah, a building. Let's download a building. There you go, download. It's in a RAR file. It's a 1.5. 1.4 meg. It's a lot for my Mac, and I'm in Australia as well, so it's gonna be really slow. You skip ad, of course. You won't click the share button. Okay, did it right away. I'm surprised. Okay. I think it's already doing it for me. I don't have to worry about it. Yep, select. Good. Okay. It's a CRP file. So just drag it. You can make 2 new Finder windows if you want. You just click Command N. You see, if you go to File, you can do this action, new Finder window, and it will give you another one. Don't worry about it. So you just drag it into Maps right here. GSB. Oh, I didn't drag it. Ugh, I think I have to do it like that. Yeah. Okay. You will drag it, and now it should work. So if we go to our game, hopefully it does. Thank you for watching. If you have any other stuff to say to me, any other suggestions, please tell me so in the comment section. I am ready for this to crash. It's a lot on my Mac. You know how it is on a Mac. New games just don't seem to work. Okay, so we downloaded a building. There you go. GSP is in the assets in the content manager, and we downloaded a mod. I think it was Hard Times, and the Hard Times should be there. There you go. Hard Times, hard economy, building and maintenance cost doubled, application costs as much as construction, no refunds offered. So there you go. That's how you download mods and assets on a Mac without use of Steam. Thank you for watching. You don't have to leave a like. You can leave a dislike if you want, huh? If you don't like it, that is. Okay. Thank you. Bye.